Are you ready to become money smart? Let's get started. Today we will learn about money, how to use it, how to keep it safe, and how it's earned. What is money? Money is made up of pieces of metal called coins and slips of paper called currency. What makes paper and metal so important? Their value. We use coins and currency to pay for the things we need, like the food we eat or the homes we live in, but also for the things we want, like a new bike or movie tickets. Having money makes things easier. Before money, people traded things like animals or food for the items they needed or wanted. Can you imagine carrying around pigs or fruit while shopping? What types of currency do we use? For coins, we use pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. For currency, we use ones, fives, tens, 20s, 50s, and even $100 bills. Each piece is marked with its value, so we know how much each is worth. Money is valuable. It's important to keep your money safe. A piggy bank is a good way to get started and watch your money grow. When you save more money than your piggy bank will hold, your mom or dad might take you to a bank to open up a savings account. The bank is a really big version of your piggy bank and keeps your money locked up in a safe place that can't be broken into, called a vault. When you go to the bank, you visit the teller. The teller is the person at the bank who helps you deposit or add money to your account. How do you make money? We now know how to keep your money safe, but how do you make or earn money in the first place? One way is by having a job, like what your parents do for a living. At your age, one way to gain experience and earn money is by doing chores. Parents may reward your work with money, called allowance, for your help around the house or yard. It's important to always try to do the best you can, because when you do a really good job, you might get a raise in your allowance, which means more money. The same is true for your mom and dad. When they do a really good job at work, they might get a raise or even a promotion. That's like a really, really big gold star. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a police officer or a teacher? In order to make your dreams come true, you need to invest in your future. Investing means putting money or time towards something you want. In fact, right now you are investing in your education by learning how to be money smart. Good job! Now that you know more about money, how to use it, how to keep it safe, and how it's earned, you are one step closer to being money smart.